we're seeing this vast spread in terms of the sheer number of two-wheelers that are plying on the roads. Two-wheelers now comprise 76% of the urban traffic. However, the number of two-wheelers insured is another problem. To give you a few numbers, what is wrong with our country? 60 to 65% on an estimate basis, two-wheelers are not insured at all. So, what's wrong with all this? What's wrong is that about 70 to 75% of all claims on two-wheeler actually happen because of theft of the bike. Now, while it's okay, you can consider that if you damage your two-wheeler, it really doesn't mean much because the damage costs aren't so high, or perceivably they're not. However, if your bike gets stolen, then that's another matter. Your third-party insurance does not cover the theft of your bike. Why am I talking to you about all this today? Because we have a problem in our country where, despite the growth of two-wheeler traffic in the country, the insurance numbers are very, very low. Why so? Because there is indeed a lackluster attitude towards getting your insurance renewed. To add to that, there is a certain set of customers who do have the third party insurance, but they do not have any coverage for any damage to their bikes or any sort of theft. What does that mean? That bikes get stolen because they are easy to steal. Bikes do have a total damage because even a small impact or a medium impact will actually result in the bike getting damaged beyond being able to ride it. Part of the problem, when you buy a new two-wheeler insurance, it covers for everything, right? For the first year, it covers your own damage, which includes your theft or any small damages or any large damages for that matter. It also covers any total loss that happens to your vehicle. But for 5 years, also covers the third party. Now, what most people don't realize or have very callous attitudes towards is the fact that you will need to renew your two-wheeler insurance in the second year with something that's called a stand-alone own damage cover. I think it's about time we woke up, we smelled the coffee, and we realized that two-wheeler insurance, while it's very, very inexpensive, is very, very important too. Bikes do get damaged, right? We also get a lot of hurt when we get into an accident. Like, I remember my bike accidents and almost having a cast on my leg, and that does cost money. Are you covered for it? Point number 2, if you're absolutely uninsured, you're leaving yourself susceptible to a large sum of money, because if you damage someone else's property, आपकी बाइक को जो हुआ पर आपने जो प्रॉपर्टी को डैमेज किया है वो सीधा कोर्ट में जाता है. It's a litigious process. The whatever has to be paid to the victim of that accident has to be get paid by you. If you're not covered with even third-party insurance, you could be liable for lakhs and lakhs rupees. So it's about time you went to policybazaar.com and bought your two-wheeler insurance and made sure that your finances stay intact.